I'd like to welcome everybody to my channel. Welcome. You know, I'm going to make a video today. I'm going to film what I think is my prettiest lake out of all the lakes I've been to, and I've been to a lot. We're going to film what I call the most beautifulest, the most prettiest lake I know of. Out of all the lakes I've been to, the one I'm taking you to right now is the most unique. Yeah, I don't know how many times I can say how beautiful something is, but you kind of get the picture, right? Now, before we do any shooting, any more shooting of the lake or any shooting at all, stay tuned to the end of the video. I do have a schedule change. It is extremely hot evening. Heat index right now is 104. My big camera is heating up, and what I mean by that is it's steaming up. So I have to wipe off the lens before I use it, and there's going to be a temporary schedule change. People are pulling in behind our car. All the expensive stuff is out. Now, I am joined today by my wife and my son, my youngest son, and Kitt, obviously. I don't have Kitt with me. Angie has him because I'm filming. Okay, guys. Oh, my word. I'm telling you. Leave it down in the comments and you tell me if this ain't the prettiest lake you've ever seen. One of the most prettiest. We'll do some talking down here. We're going to do lots of filming. I highly doubt I will put music to this. The last video I had music, YouTube tried to get a little bit, YouTube wanted to argue with me a little bit on that. Yeah, royalty-free music, free now. And it was like, well, we may have to check the video over and make sure it's okay for you to have an AdSense. I almost didn't put an AdSense on. I don't know why I bother anyway with the AdSense. Be honest with you, oh my God. It's so beautiful. All right, let's get started. We're gonna do a small pan from this point, and I may be fogging up, but that's okay, because I'm gonna shoot some on the GoPro too. This doesn't seem to be fogging up. Don't have the shotgun mic on right now. There's no need for it. Plus there is absolutely no wind. Isn't this the prettiest place you've ever seen? It's right here. What we're looking at right now. I mean, look how the trees are reflecting into the water right now. Oh my word, I think I'm steaming up again. Oh my gosh. By the way, I am at Gladys Russell Lake, Manchester, Indiana. Holy smokes. So professional, huh? Had the cameras in the back seat in my case, well, the big one I'm on now, thinking that the ride over here, since I had the windows down, you know, it would activate to the weather. But funny thing is, when I open up the case, pull out the camera, there's people over yonder there. Oh, I didn't know nobody was over there. But anyway, when I opened up the camera case, got the camera out, it was ice cold. I don't understand how, but it was. Oh, they're over there fishing. Yeah, let's talk about fishing here. We'll do a slide pan to the right. Fishing isn't all that good here, but then again, I see lots of people down here fishing. I've seen people catch buckets of fish. Only thing I've ever cut out of this lake, and this was 2 years ago to be fair, was a couple bluegill and one catfish. Seen lots of turtles down here, seen lots of wildlife. I was hoping to capture some tonight. Oh my word. It's like they got the word out. Mike's coming. Let's not let him film us. Nothing soothes me more than nature. My gosh, this is so beautiful. Now, when I came here fishing back about 2 years ago, I fished right off this dock. Sure did. Right over there where that bench is, I'm zoomed in a little bit. That's another little trail comes back here. That's where we decided to get Kitt. Yeah. Angie and I was on that trail walking back here. That's when we made the decision to get another dog. I am seriously getting bit by these flies. What's up with the flies this year? Had one in the house earlier and they bit me 6 times, so I swatted it. I'm just getting bit a few minutes ago. Now, last time I believe I filmed this, it was ice on the water, and there was a couple guys out there ice fishing. Yeah. I can't zoom in on this part because there's people over there fishing, and they may not like me zooming in. I think my camera's finally done fogging up. One more pan slowly, then we'll head her up to the top. And I'll tell you my schedule changed and what's going on, but my gosh. Now, will I ever come back here and go fishing? You dang straight I want to. I really do. But I just don't know when. Okay, let's keep panning a little bit. You're going to see probably a little bit of the dock I'm on. We're going to head up topside. I got sweat pouring off me right now. Okay, let's head topside. Speak, Michael. We are in a heat wave, which I have mentioned in the last couple videos. We was in the same heat wave last year, but this year is more humid and more hot. Our heat index got up today to 111. It's been like that the last many days. It's going to be like that again tomorrow, at least the rest of this week. I do not do well in the heat. Well, it depends. If it's the temperatures, humidity is low, I'm okay for a while. But you add them temperatures to the humidity. Whoop, don't want to step in geese poop. The air is thick, and it's not good for me having a heart issue. Not good at all. I have a lot of yard work that is out of control at this moment. I'm not going out there mowing it. Now, my boys said they will mow it. I'm going to try to probably mow it tomorrow evening, about 8 o'clock. I think it's supposed to come down to 90 degrees then. Now, my boys said they will help me mow it, but I don't want them doing anything in this heat either. Oh, I thought that was a dog. The people just got here to look like they had a dog. So what I'm saying is, for the next, well, I don't know how many videos, it won't last long. I'm going to put out a video when I can. Now, this video is going up on a Friday. Well, you have one on Monday? I do not know. And the places we'll be going is kind of local to home. Not going to go any distance until this heat wave breaks. I mean, if it gets down to, just 90 degrees or 91, 92, I mean, as long as that humidity is not out, that's what's getting me. It's the humidity. So, guys, until then, I put out a video when I can. It is kind of funny to me because we had all them rainy days. And then, oh, shoot, I'm guessing May, pretty much the whole month of May, we coast by with, well, we had rain, but the temperatures were pleasant. Then it got up to around vacation time. Our vacation started off with lots of rain. Then that heat wave came in. Boy, there's a dome over us right now. I'm here in Southeastern Indiana, and pretty much all of the Midwest has a heat dome over it. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to shoot some of these shots with the GoPro down there. Whoops. So guys, until further notice, I will put out a video when I can, and when this heat wave kind of gets a little bit better, or I don't know, I don't want to take a chance getting out and stand out too long into the heat with the humidity with my heart. I don't think that'd be a wise choice. That's one of the main reasons I'm not mowing my yard at this moment. Whew. I mean, right now it is so humid. We've had this before. This is every year. So until further notice, I will put out a video when I can. Here comes somebody else up. It's a popular place tonight, huh? Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Leave your comments about that beautiful lake. And until further notice, you have videos like this. And before you know it, we will be out into some of these places getting waterfalls, historical buildings, and even some parks. Just got to give me some time, y'all. Let this heat kind of get better. All right, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.